off another bigger tailway.
I won't be putting her in here.
Johnson, get the gaff. Trying my best not to help you. Woo! Good, got that.
No, beat. Oh. Oh man, my arm is numb. Ben's for next time. Youngest guy takes the next one. Like for.
Better grab a beer, right?
That was a workout.
Yeah.
Ben's gonna be laughing when we pull my bow up later. I'm like this, trying to hold steady, you know.
This one was fighting good right away.
This guy's dead.
Huh?
One eye.
Oh, why?
That's a mean one.
Jesus.
Full of water. Strong. Picture there, Dad?
See the eye, holy shit, dude. Old signal driver. Fits now.
Yes. Good. Yeah, see, she'll go back. Floodle. Water.
Am I burping that thing?
I did.
That's fighting good now, man. Only 855 feet left.
I think that's a fatty, that one. Oh, yeah. Get out of here. Beautiful.
Oh,
Good job.
Oh, maybe not. We took off. Guess it wasn't burnt, maybe, huh? Oh, shit. Took off good. Oh, no. Oh, goodbye.
Ben, would you
Huh?
quit screwing around?
This thing is fighting like a bitch.
Look, he's still forking on me.
Yeah.
Probably gonna be about a 23 incher, okay?
Uh-oh. You got her? It's right there.
There's a net there.
It's right there.
Oh, it is?
Yep, here it is.
Grab the net.
Oh no! Yeah, net over here.
Boom! That thing was fighting like a beast right on bottom, eh?
Dandy.
Got her? This one was? Oh, alright.
We're gonna get it finished pretty quick.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, you good. Matt's pulling right
I
at the
see it
thing.
now, right there. Nice, going up.
Hey, start the fight now.
No, it's a little one. It's a little one. Watch out, man. Get back here.
Oh, you need the net for that. It's fucking big.
Bigger than one we caught last weekend.
Bigger than when I reeled in last time.
Oh, shit. Maybe I shouldn't have netted it, huh?
Good of you.
Come on. It's deep now. Alright.
Johnson, you want this one or what?
Oh, it's all you.
Who's closer now?
Probably can.
I'm at yeah, this one's coming right now. Right in. Where are you at, Ben?
Oh, right in the same spot.
You might want to hold it for a second here.
Ooh, another perfect heater, huh?
Yeah.
Rest right where you were, Dan.
Alright.
This current's going in over there. 40 feet.
Laying down, eh?
Started off rough, but yeah, he's biting decent now again.
Oh, that's a nice one. You come right here.
Or wherever he's going.
Yeah. It's a plumper.
Damn it.
I always try getting it through there without snagging anything. It's hard.
Better?
A little double action there.
Nice.
Now look at the camera style. There we go.
No muff net jobs there.
Ready to pick, huh?
Yeah, that's a fatty.
Got her there, Bob?
I got her. Jesus Christ, we got her.
Those are the fish we like, eh? Ones you can't get into focus. Measure him again. Shit, there's twice I've done that. The first one I should have measured, he was big. How much you got left there, Bob? 40?
Good now.
That big white blob.
Yeah. Don't head towards the light.
Yeah.
This one's definitely a lively one. There's fish on this one too. On the dipsy?
Right. Ah, you know you're hooking it.
That's what I'm wondering.
I think you're hooking it.
Should be pretty close, man.
I think you're hooking it.
Ready?
We have a lot of hardware.
Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish.
It's a good fight.
Right, let that up the side.
Take two. Take. What do you do? Read the tags or something?
Yeah.
A couple tags in them.
Hog. Probably a big fish today there,
Yeah,
yeah.
it is.
I'll hold it for you up there.
Ben, you want to take a picture of him?
You got Mike there.
Good job.
Three
Yeah.
tags in them. Alright, we got a green one. Okay.
Minnesota, Michigan, and Wisconsin.
J4803. Got another blue DNR or Bayfield one. That is A06506. And then we have a pink or orange, probably pink one from Bayfield, F 005179.
Here,
I
Ben.
believe.
Ben, grab the camera real quick. We'll get her back.
Oh, I am.
Wait,
Right there,
three
right there.
pigs.
They're John's.
There. Grab this one too.
Just come stand up here.
Got her?
One more.
Got her, Ben?
Go measure it dead. I hope you'll be able to do it. Alright.
Got her?
Right there.
31.5.
Yeah, dude.
Damn it.
He'll go.
There it goes. Picked right away. Oh, you want the net probably, huh, Ben? Yeah, almost got her. Oh, you got her? You just gonna pull her in? Sweet.
And take a look at this.
Ben don't need no net. What happened? The end? Oh, that one snake around? That's
Oh,
about
he's in the copper.
Is he? I'll be easy to get out. Here. You got the copper? No?
Nice. That's alright.
Where is the copper?
Cross right around the flag. You guys take care of that fish if you can. Oh, I'm going to tangled and dipsy.
Are ya?
Yeah. Come over and No, just no. It's just one minute. Just under it. Come over. Zero. Under?
What the?
Oh, you're just hold it.
Nice fish though, eh? Wow. Yeah, I should have held on to that one.
Yeah, why don't you come under me?
Control your fish,
He's giving
Matt.
that kick.
Control your fish.
Keep somebody
Pretty deep
under.
here.
Under. I think we should be alright if we put it back in the water.
Don't get it in the copper now.
Whoa! He does not like it up here. 50 feet.
Where you at? You bring her up. You got the shoot.
Well, I think I'm kind of going where we want to go.
That's a big fish, eh? Right there. Oh yeah. Nice one.
Oh,
Yeah, in the
he's
middle.
pulling right down again.
Maybe trouble. Nice fish. That's the fish of the day there. fish.
Ready, Ben?
That's an Andy.
Here we go. Don't tangle on that gypsy.
That's a big one. Ben's struggling.
Go on that gypsy.
That's a big one. That's a good 12. That's got 3 tags too.
Oh, what?
15.
What are you talking about?
That's a good 15, eh?
More than 15, I'd say.
Think so?
The one I had was about 14. Like,
It's good 15. It could be bigger.
It's
Yeah.
over 15.
It's a big fish there.
Look at the gypsy right.
I want a picture of that one.
Wow.
Nice fish. Let me see. I want.
He's got 2 worn out tags and 3 good tags.
Nice. Look at one more, Jen, right on. Look at the tail on that thing, eh? Look how worn out the tail is.
Alright.
Oh my
Nice
God.
fish.
Good job, Mac.
You want the tape? You gonna read the tape or no?
You're welcome, Matt.
Hey, thanks, Ben.
Just kidding.
36 and a half.
Nice.
First one's an orange one.
Watch.
Yep.
M, yeah. 07272. Next one's a blue one.
Look at the tags that have. Look at the back, it's all rotted out with the tags.
I can't read the number on that. Next one's a yellow one. X. 00494.
Oh,
Yes.
put him in the box. We got the blue one cleaned off too. He's bleeding from the gills.
Is it?
Yeah.
The last digit on that yellow one is a 5.
That one's probably past.
Ready for the blue one, Rich? C003699. Pink one is left.
Pink one, we got an F.
That's what you're Frank?
Yeah, 00 7011.
Does that frame mark on it?
Oh, about 6 of them.
Come on, girl. Go down. Go down. There you go. You're following the boat for a second there. You see her?
Yeah.
There she goes. She's trying to. You're good. Nice job. Fish, nice fish, eh? Another nicer fish. Look at it.
He doesn't like the sun.
That one's gonna have to be burped. Side you want me to go? Your side? Pull it over here?
I'll
or
try
what?
and get it over there, I guess, on your side. You want to put that way?
Nice fish, Matt.
You're gonna have to perform a miracle to get it through here. Get him in there, John.
Right. Good job, guys.
It's gonna be close. There you go.
Not a bad fish.
it. There it goes.
Dan, I'm hooked. We're hooked on the.
Right here. Let's spin it.
Wow. There it is.
Crank her up. Sure, Johns, you're on that side. Is it wrap? Oh, no, maybe not. We're going to bring her in the middle here?
Wherever you want.
Yeah, feels heavy. Felt heavy the whole time. Coming in weird though, isn't it? Maybe not.
Oh, he's just coming in big. A little bit belly up.
Yeah, that don't look good, eh? Fish. Big fish.
Oh, good boy, Ben.
Big.
Yeah, he's a fish.
Oh! Holy Christ, Jack. Got a greenhorn on Jack. Easy. Tags? No tags? Couple tags in that one too, huh?
What a fatty.
That's a big one. I'm gonna need a picture of that one. Nice. Take one with the phone too.
Yeah, he's the,
Take your eyes. You know, Johnson. You got the phone.
there you go.
That one right there. Yep.
See if you can burp on the bottom.
Alright, Ben, back up a step. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready for the tags, Rich?
Yep.
That's a good one. Down bouncing still? Alright, pink tag. F000. I'm sorry. F0005253, Rich. Yeah.
Let's get a measure on him.
That's the only one? Yep. Nice fish, Benny. 33. Right there.
Make sure he's burp.
Perfect. Oh, 34. 34?
Nice
That was
fish.
close, eh?
There he is.
Big one?
Where's he coming? Still on my
He's
side?
straight back.
He's
See,
still
Rich?
on my eye.
Come on, John.
Send us a drone and
You're
you
gonna
can
do
get
side
that
still?
sucker in the boat. Try.
Boy, he's just lip hooked too. See that spinning glow still going?
Yeah. Nice one. Yeah, just by the corner right there. It's a good spot to get him though, right
All
there.
right.
He ain't getting out. What happened here? The snake? Thing going on? Oh, the line snake. Alright. The gypsy.
Fucking Gypsy Johnson.
Yeah, should we just pull this thing right up or what?
that.
Oh, it's really good wrap. Nice. $31.
Everybody said to take them down.
There you go. Right in the prop. Prop fired him up. Prop made him do like a 360. Boy, you guys are lucky there,
Let's,
eh? Yeah. No doubt.
I'm ready to pull the gypsies since they ain't done anything else.
Rich has been saying that since about 8:30.